Come on. Not you, Pax. No. Sasha, come on. Here you go. Come on, big girl. Come on. You get mommy's hand? There you go. You're doing it. You did it. There you go. Yay! You did it. There you go, Pumpkin. Yeah, get that other arm out. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, baby. It's okay. You can do it. Come on. It's all right. Come on, big girl. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it. Yes, you do. Almost. Almost. Come on, honey. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Oh, goodness sakes. Where'd that other hand go? Where is it? There it is. Look at you, Pumpkin. Say hi. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Sasha, here you go. Push yourself up. You can do it. There you go. Here, put this arm up here. There you go, Pumpkin. Hi. Hi, sweetie girl. Yeah. I see you. Look what you did. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Look what I did. Yeah. Hey, look what I did all by myself. Yeah. Oh, I know, Pumpkin. Such a good girl. You smile? Smile big. Say hi. Yeah. There you go. Oop. You gonna roll over again? There you go. There you go, honey. Good job. Look at you. Oh, there you go. You did it. You rolled from your back to your front and your front to your back. You did such a good job. Yes, you did. Say I love you. You say I love you. Say I love you. Yeah. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, big girl. Yeah, you did it, huh?